Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I apologize again for being so long between vlogs. I'm just not even going to apologize anymore though. It is what it is. It's summertime, I'm busy, I've been doing lots of stuff, so that's good. Maybe I'll have a little bit to chat about. I am a little chatty right now, so that's good too. It is Friday. I'm on my way home from work. Hopefully I will get this downloaded and able to post over the weekend. If not, I'm sorry about that too, because our internet is not always what I want it to be, especially when it becomes the end of my billing cycle, and it doesn't coincide with the month, but it is almost, so like it's like the 8th or something, so it's getting to be the end of my billing cycle, which means I could even be slower. But I have heard that there might be fiber coming into my neighborhood, which will be fabulous. I will sign up for that for sure. I use AT&T, and I have everything through AT&T, so I really don't want to switch if I don't have to, and AT&T is supposed to have fiber. There is another company that has fiber in our neighborhood, but it's not a company that I've even ever heard of before, and I really don't want to switch just for that. So unfortunately, I have to deal with the slow internet because there's a lot of us using it. And like I have my son, my daughter, 2 teenagers, well, 1 teenager, 1 early 20-something, my husband and myself, and I use a lot of data myself. So it is what it is, and I just deal with it. And if I can get this downloaded, that's all to say. If I can get this downloaded over the weekend, I'll be happy to do that, and I would love to do that. We have some exciting plans this coming week, so that's pretty cool. Wednesday, we get Waylon and Winnie, and I know that I've told you guys a little bit about them. They are 2 little puppies that will be 6 weeks old on Wednesday, and I cannot wait to kiss their little faces. I am super excited about it. And so is Katie. And then Thursday, Dennis and I are going on a little overnight, and that'll be fun. But it is, oh gosh, there was a car accident. That'll be fun, but it does mean that the poor puppies are going to be, or that we're going to have to leave the poor puppies, but they're not going to be alone because Katie will be home. So that's good. She will be able to watch them and take care and all of that. Oh, there's a 3-car accident is what it is, and the police haven't even arrived yet. So someone rear-ended someone who rear-ended someone else, it looks like. Ugh, ugh, ugh. These people are like standing in the middle of the road. That's really dumb. I mean, I get it, but and then there's people like this that think that they can turn even on the red. Gosh. People are ridiculous. So anyway, we are really excited about the babies, and Taz is excited too. We've told him all about them, and he can't wait to teach them all the stuff. The cats aren't so excited, but they'll get there. What else? Work has been going really well, but it is really busy. I don't know that I'm ever going to not be able to say that. It feels like I'm in a constant state of, goodness gracious, in a constant state of busy at work. There's always upgrades, always something going on, and this year is proving to be absolutely no exception to that. So that's okay. There's job stability, and I do like being busy, but sometimes I feel like I'm going to drop one of the balls that I'm juggling because there's just so many things up in the air and so many things going on at once. But we're all human. I'm doing what I can do. What else do I know? So my husband and I are going to a place called Madison, Indiana, which for some of you guys, you might know, but you might be familiar with it, but it is a small river city on the Ohio River, pretty close to Louisville. And my best friend who was I've known her since I was in high school. Her name is Linda. We've been best friends since then. She used to actually live in Madison, and I lived in Louisville right after we graduated. She got a job in Madison as a teacher, and I got a job in Louisville, and we would commute and talk to each other as much as we could. And it's about an hour away, so we would see each other often. We even had our babies about the same time, both our girls and then our boys, so that was really kind of neat. And Linda actually still teaches there, so that's pretty cool too. But Madison, Indiana, I'm very familiar with it just because of her, and I really enjoy her a lot. I have been to the regatta a few times, and that's what we're going to. I don't even know if I said that. It's a boat race, and it's called Regatta, and it's like hydroplane boats. Hydroplane? That's not it. I don't know what it is. It's boats. I'm not a huge big fan of any sport really, and these boat things are very cool, but it's not anything that I'm like totally excited about. But my husband is, and so because of that, I'm excited about it too. And we're going to stay at Clifty Falls, which is a state park down there, and it is beautiful, so I'm excited about that. And I'm hoping that the weather stays nice. Today it's 93 degrees according to my car, and I do believe it. It is hot, but it's gorgeous. The sky is beautiful, and I was going to show you, but it doesn't have the thing where I can flip it. I forgot. I'd have to stop it and start it, and since I'm driving, I'm not going to do that. But it is a beautiful day, and goodness gracious, we've needed some beautiful days because it's rained and rained and rained. And my daughter, being a camp counselor, she is excited about the beautiful days, although it went from like rainy and kind of chilly on some of the days to hot, hot, hot. And I know that it wears her out. So today is Friday for her. Well, for all of us, it's Friday, but it's the end of the week, obviously, for her too. And she is super excited. I know that she is going to probably go out with her friends tonight for dinner. They've been doing that on Friday nights, which is cute. And I know they go get margaritas, and that's fun. She's 21, so it's really fun for her. And I don't know what we're doing. I don't really even have a plan or a care right now. 4th of July is next week, which is when we're going to be at the regatta. And yeah, our puppies come home, so that's super exciting. So that's my big news for right now. Well, for right now, for any time. Other than that, I have been crafting a lot. I have been doing a lot of videos that you guys will be seeing. They are forthcoming. A lot of card videos and paper crafting. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. I did finish some dish towels from knitting. I have 6 of those made. I made 2 for myself and 2 for my friend Lisa and 2 for my friend Ellen. So that is good. And I had already made 2 for my friend Tracy. So all of us will have dishcloths now. And they are really great. If you guys haven't used hand knitted dishcloths and you can find them somewhere, I would say get them. Or if you knit yourself some cotton dishcloths, and you will not be disappointed. There's Unravelry, if you guys use that. If you're a knitter, you know what I'm talking about, most likely. And there is a pattern called Granny's dishcloth or something close to that. If you search that, you should be able to find it. And it's a really simple pattern, and that's the one that I use. And it's very nice, quick knit, fun, easy, and they turn out great. And everyone that I have given them to has loved them. So I would highly recommend that if you guys are so inclined. What else do I know? I may go to Hobby Lobby. Oh, something that was a big negative is I had some fraud on my debit card through Etsy. Now, Etsy wasn't the one who frauded it, but somebody bought stuff on Etsy using my card, and it wasn't me. And so I've had to talk to my credit card company, and I also talked to Etsy, and I got it reversed, but it's like under investigation or whatever. So I had to cancel my debit card, and I am waiting for a new one to arrive. So I'd like to go to Hobby Lobby, but I don't even know if I can because it's my debit card, the one that I use straight from my checking account. Now I could go to the bank and get out some cash, but I don't know. I really just don't want to do that. I'm a lazy bum. No, really, I don't like to have too much cash on me. I have a little bit, and that's fine, but I'm trying to hold. I mean, it's been kind of neat. This happened on Monday that I discovered it. So today being Friday, I haven't used my credit card, obviously, on anything. And I call it a credit card. It's a debit card. I try not to use any credit cards or anything anyway. But yeah, that's crazy. And I don't like that. It makes you feel all weird that somebody knows your stuff. But, you know, it's all taken care of now, I think. They canceled that. You know, if they try to make a purchase, it won't go through. So I'm not too worried about it. I did have to get an oil change yesterday. And I was going to I can still like use my account. You know, my account isn't closed, just my debit card. So I was going to transfer money from my account to my husband's account so that he could pay for my oil change, but he just paid for it. He didn't even want me to transfer any money. So yay! Because I don't know how you do it at your house, but at our house we have separate checking accounts, and that works better for us. So, you know, whatever works for you is what you should be doing. And for me, this works out best. And I guess that's about it. I think that catches you up on the week. I know it's been a crazy time. I'll try to put some more pictures here at the end of our babes so that you can see a more recent picture now. But goodness, I can't wait till you can see some pictures with us and them together. I basically just am looking really forward to seeing them. That's our plan for the weekend, is to clean up the house and get out the dog crate and the little, we have like a, I don't know, like a little, it's like a little playpen, but it's not a playpen there, but it's like a, I guess, a cage around that, you know, is kind of a round, you can make it whatever you want. It's like a metal gate thing, I don't know. And it's for small animals, or I don't know, it's not even really small. It's probably 4 feet by 4 feet, and you can move them and stuff. So we have that we're going to have for the babies too, so that they don't have to stay in the crate while we're at work. Now I am taking some time off, so I'm going to be home for several days with them after we get back from the regatta. So that'll be fun too. I'm glad that we can do that. And somebody was following me, but they are there now. Lots of activity in my neighborhood. I guess it was a neighbor. I just didn't recognize the car. We have some new neighbors. But yeah, so that's the biggest news. I'm very excited for it. And I guess I will let you guys go. I'm obviously home. And I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks. Bye. And thanks for all the brand new subscribers, old and new. I really, really appreciate all of you.